Welcome to this detailed tutorial on creating submenus in WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to easily modify your website's navigation to include a submenu structure. We begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. Once the site loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you will see a login option. Simply click on the login button to start the process. After clicking login, you will notice an option that allows you to continue using your Google account. Select the option labeled Continue with Google. This method simplifies the login process since you do not have to remember another password. A new prompt appears asking you to choose a Google account. At this point, pick the account you wish to use for logging into WordPress. Make sure you select the account associated with your website or the one you normally use for website management. Once you have signed in, you will be directed to the WordPress dashboard. Look for a section called Quick Links, which is prominently displayed on the dashboard. Within Quick Links, locate the link that says Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will take you into the site editing mode where you are provided with several layout and customization options specifically tailored for your website's design. After entering the editing environment, your next step will be to click on the navigation option. This action opens up the area where you can manage the menu structure of your site. Navigating through the interface, you will then see a set of 3 dots. These dots represent additional options. Click on these 3 dots to reveal further menu functionalities, including the option to edit various aspects of your site navigation. Once the additional options appear, select Edit. This option will allow you to directly modify the navigation layout and make necessary adjustments to how the menus appear on your site. With the editing tools now visible, it is time to focus on the page you want to convert into a submenu. Locate your desired page within the navigation layout. When you have found it, click on it and then look for a small paper icon. This paper icon is used to transform your page into a submenu. After clicking the paper icon and confirming your choice, the selected page will change its status into a submenu item. This is an important step in restructuring your navigation as it groups related content under one main menu item, making your website easier to navigate. Finally, you will need to click on the option to designate the transformation as a submenu. This final action officially changes the navigation state of your page and integrates it as part of the submenu structure. This streamlined approach to organizing your website menus enhances user experience. It not only makes navigation more intuitive for visitors, but also helps in organizing content in a systematic manner. By following these steps, you have successfully learned how to create submenus on your WordPress site in just a few minutes. Enjoy the cleaner design and improved functionality of your website navigation, and feel confident in making additional adjustments in the future as needed.